and God bless me with 9 more.
Oh! God bless you with 9 more. So go on back out, they go back 9 more time. And brought the next 9. Remember say, we get old. We born not easy for setback here.
Jano, I feel like your son. I don't feel like your business partner. I feel like your son. Like your youngest son.
All me I say, you need to start take responsibility.
5. When you meet me, need to run a shop, you know. And now, me still a run a shop, you know. And because me take responsibility, make the shop still a run. You understand what I say?
The amount of things what you do. Since me and you there, and since we break up, you see if me never step in, you still would even have the shop there.
You ever ask yourself the question, why you're there to begin with?
Me enlighten you. And because I care for you, I'ma still check for you.
And that's a part of my responsibility, 5.
Your responsibility for go rob container. Your responsibility for turn bad man. Your responsibility for get revenge for a man who not even remember you.
5, let me tell you something. You see, not this your life, yeah? At least the life of me I live. Sometimes you have to lose to win again.
No. That's where it go. In my life, it's all about winning. So if you have it in your head say, you have to lose, you always have to lose. Aim for high. Aim for win. If you lose, I must by a mistake. You see why me ain't gonna work? You see why this business thing not gonna work out? Let me tell you what I want for that shop, yeah. It's in the ghetto, but you have to run like a ghetto shop. So you see your karate and your boxing ring out there, so you need to take it somewhere else.
Alright, man. You're sure. Go take your direction. Yeah.
May I come go? Remember, forget the things in the shop. Yeah? And if you start take responsibility for your actions then.
5, I constantly I tell you. If me never there take responsibility, I'm not there today. And plus, you have to remember say boy like me now have a chick nor a child for deal with, you know.
You might don't have a chick, but you have a child.
Eh? 5, what you talk about?
On the way, sir. On the way.
Five, no take the taxi, me here you go.
What you?
Not here you go. Come on,
Sabi,
man.
I'm pregnant. I'm not crippled.
This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm feeling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home, coming home. It feels like coming home. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, it feels like coming home.